The Bullwhip Tutelary. Market Minutes with VV Sairam Chakravartula. July 6, 2023. LIC India diluted its shareholding in India Cement has diluted to 3.83% from 5.88% of the paid-up capital of the company. Tata Power received a 1,744 rupees crore order to install and maintain 18.60 lakh meters in the Raipur area from CSPDCL. The LOA is for a smart metering project in the state over a period of 10 years. Auto June retail sales, YOY. Passenger vehicle sales rise 4.8% to 2.95 lakh units. Two-wheeler sales rise 6.8% to 13.10 lakh units. Commercial vehicle sales up 0.4% to 73,212 units. Three-wheeler sales grow 75.5% to 86,511 units. Tractor sales grow 41% to 98,660 units. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, total deposits grew 44% year-on-year and 4% sequentially to 26,655 rupees crore in April-June. CASA rose 27% year-on-year to 6,550 rupees crore, and the CASA ratio stood at 24.6%. Advances are up 31% year-on-year and 5% quarter-on-quarter to 25,346 rupees crore in the first quarter. Disbursement momentum continues to show strength, with 22% year-on-year growth to 5,280 rupees crore. KEC International rises to an all-time high of 603.8 rupees as it secures orders worth 1,042 rupees crore for its railways, civil, transmission and distribution and cables businesses. Biocon Biosimilars, subsidiary of Biocon, takes over the commercialization of the biosimilar business from Viatris in over 70 countries. In February 2022, Biocon Biosimilars acquired Viatris for $3.3 billion, 24,912.7 rupees crore. Thank you.